Hello ho ho, and yeah, welcome back to HTML. And yeah, today's topic is the last topic, meta or meta tags. Yeah, meta tags is the right one. Yeah, meta tags, you can't, I have problems to find a proper definition of meta tags because they include certain aspects. For example, with meta tags, you can define a lot of informations for the HTML document. I try to avoid saying web page, but yeah, more details, and also details for search engines if you are having something like a web page, all sorts of stuff. And yeah, it's hard to sum everything up in this short amount of time. So yeah, like always, I just give you an insight and you can find out or research much more by yourself. Okay, let's start. Before I talk even more nonsense, let's simply do a few examples, and then you probably know what I'm referring to. Yeah, one meta tag is already in a lot of documents is already here, which would UTF-8, the character set. Let's add another one. For example, if we have a web page, we probably wanna have something. Yeah, want to add a few keywords. And yeah, for that we have meta. Again, what is important, forgot to mention that we are now in the head one, not in the body where we were in our previous video. Now we are in the head tag, and there's meta name equals keyword. And yeah, now what are these kind of keywords? We are using the content. And yeah, now let's see something like rain the rock John. And yeah, if now someone is googling Rain the Rock Johns, he might find your web page. And for example, if you Google something, you see the title, and then under the title you see some kind of description of the HTML document or what you will encounter if you click on that. And we can do this with a keyword called, or name called description, content equals, please don't click on that, you will never forget what you will encounter. By the way, this could cause many clicks just by using reverse psychology. Also, if you get into more detail, you can do something like auto refresh or last date the site was updated. Maybe I someday will make an enhanced version. Now what is kind of standard, author, not charge set, but content equals Stephen Queen. Now let's save it. Let's save it and view our site. Here we go. Yeah, it's pretty much the same, but if we hit F12, oh, it doesn't, we are not in Google Chrome. So let's simply say something like, CTRL-U, and you can see the meta tags here we added. Yeah, pretty simple, pretty easy, and a pretty short video. Maybe I will show you another meta tag. Okay, I thought about something. Maybe I show you the auto refresh meta tag. Meta equals name. Oh, what was the name again? It was refresh. Was it that? Okay, in this case it is not the name, but HTTP equiv, because yeah, I kind of forgot why it is. 1 second, maybe, yeah. I can't really remember why. Maybe I should have researched it. I'm sorry, maybe I will make a comment where I explain that. But yeah, if we now type in content equals 2, And yeah, now let's visit our site again, website. And yeah, as you can see, these letters magically disappear because he's refreshing the site every 2 seconds. Yeah, kind of cool. And yeah, that's it for today's part, in the last part in the HTML series. Yeah, I have more fun with other stuff. Next time we will do something with Python, but this is kind of a base because we want to do, how is this called? We want to see the request library in Python, we want to do web scrapping, and for that we need to know a little bit of HTML. So that's the main course why I did this. Okay, hopefully see you in the next video. Have a nice evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in the country. And yeah, I have one outtake for you. Hello, ho, ho. Yeah, welcome to OBS tutorial, OBS Studio.